For a really long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could deliver an exceptionally trustworthy stage. A stage that can be instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and protected from any current and expected dangers. The difficulties of the money era brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that rose to unmistakable quality, particularly as to the decentralized finance area. With the developing fame of bountiful resources, the creation of the ONT network in the year 2017 by a gathering of Chinese specialists on cryptographic forms of money has just demonstrated a gift. This marvel of ontology was delivered by the skill of two originators, De Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Here you will get all data about ONT ontology price prediction and its specialized examination. The start of the year 2021 was very certain for ONT as there was colossal development from 40 cents to $2.69 by May 2021. It was a development of over 500%. Financial backers and brokers began benefit booking, prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the value tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it began the bull run. What makes ontology distinctive? The ONT coin has been formed by the master hands of specialists and skilled software engineers, making it even more solid. It has a monetary sponsorship of a strong Chinese gathering, and thus it makes it liberated from any tricks. The popularity of ontology crypto additionally rises out of the partnerships with Neo, making it a regarded altcoin. No unique preparation or skill is expected by any financial backer to exchange crypto resources. It's worked on process on two fundamental systems, one of arrangement wherein ONG assists with brilliant contracting practically on the comparative lines of ontology. Ontology likewise partakes in the advantages of strategy administration and guideline changes. ONT price prediction, ontology partnerships and handshakes. As of late there rose on-screen news blazing the organization of ontology with AP, LLC, music streaming stage, Rocky, micro workers, Blocery, one of the top-of-the-line planting merchandise, staple internet business organizations to improve its applications, getting capital and foundation support from the last option. These unions qualifies various environments for become a vital piece of ontology at ideal answers for DeFi, installments, and decentralization. From that point forward, the coin has been exchanging a sideways venture with minor value rises and falls. As of now, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992. The whole crypto market is blasting, and the equivalent is seen for ONT as a slight cost rise. From the ongoing cost level, huge obstruction is seen at $1.04, and critical help is seen at 43 cents. The cost has supported this help level starting around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers. According to Bollinger Bands, the instability has expanded, and the cost is exchanging over the upper band, demonstrating a hopeful viewpoint. Specialized pointers are additionally demonstrating bullish force. RSI is at 76, demonstrating exceptionally bullish force, and it has crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is additionally exchanging over the signal line, demonstrating bullish energy. In general, every one of the pointers are ideal for the coin, and the ongoing cost levels are ideal for merchants and financial backers to aggregate the coin and hold the coin till the costs cross essentially the $1 mark once more. While some digital currency cost expectation suppliers, specialists, or sites do examination and expectation in light of a moderate point, others make conjectures in view of a more practical and hopeful pattern alongside the market cap and crypto rating. Here are a portion of the master's ONT cost expectations. Metaphysics coin cost might reach as high as $1.07 and as low as 72 cents by end of 2022. The typical ontology cost expectations for the following 1 year by them shows the ONT cost might be 92 cents. In light of our ontology gauges, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 is $2.027. With a 5-year speculation, The income is supposed to be around plus 190.4%. According to the ongoing value pattern and ontology cost expectation, in the impending 5 years, ONT cost could shoot up to $1.88. Cosmology Price Prediction 2022. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very beneficial and the flow cost has additionally begun recuperation. The ongoing cost is exchanging around 69 cents and as per Ontology coin news, the cost is supposed to increment later on. By December 2022, the digital money could profoundly reflect positive patterns concerning cost, and it might arrive at a limit of $1.08. Philosophy Price Prediction 2023. With an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just amount to the cost of ONT dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. According to our figures, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost forecasts, toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28. Philosophy Price Prediction 2024 to 2025. Different advancements in the ONT innovation are normal. According to the Ontology cost forecasts, the most extreme cost is supposed to be around $1.89 constantly 2024 to 2025. Obviously, force majeure is limited. Philosophy Price Prediction 2026. According to our estimates, a defeat may be normal in the value prompting a cost fall when contrasted with the earlier year. The Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 may be exchanging around $1.51. Last verdict, Ontology ONT Price Prediction. Metaphysics has endured for an extremely long period and increased its prosperity through coalitions and osmosis, cooperating with names like MovieBlock, a stage for disseminating films in view of blockchain, and Complayer, Go With Me, and Parody Game. According to our forecasts, no big surprise soon the ONT cost will soar. Is Ontology a wise interest in 2022? Indeed, as indicated by our cost conjecture and specialized investigation, the Ontology cost will increment, and it will be a wise venture. Presently the Ontology cost is around 60 cents, yet by December 2022, it will mirror a positive cost change. Is it beneficial to put resources into Ontology? In light of our Ontology figure and examination, it will be productive to put resources into Ontology, ONT for the long haul for very nearly a time of 5+ years. How would I buy Ontology coins for myself? Many web stages for exchanging digital currencies. The market permit venture. Register yourself with your KITE qualifications and execute through any of your master or